guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a foundation video. I have an excessive amount of foundations and quite a few of them I haven't even tried yet. So I wanted to start something on my channel where I try out these foundations. I'm gonna show you the two drawers full of foundations that I have. One is high-end and one is drugstore. And we are going to pick one, try it, see how it is, and do that once in a while and see what I can end up decluttering from my collection because of this, right? Like, I don't need all of these. I know I don't, but I kind of want to know what's good, what's not. And I can't know that unless I try them. So today, I'm going to start that journey and try these foundations. I don't know how often I'll be doing this video, but I will be doing it often enough, I hope. So today, I'm going to be picking a foundation that I would like to try. But for the next video in the comments, if you could just choose between drugstore and high-end, then I'll pick from one of the two drawers. That would be super, super helpful if you can do that for me. And then we can go from there. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get into this. Okay, so here we are. I don't have any fancy Alex 9 drawers or anything like that. I do want to get one. I just haven't done that yet. It's a pretty big investment, in my opinion. $150 for a set of drawers is a lot. But anyway, let's get on to it. This one here is all high-end. This one here is all drugstore. I think I'm going to actually pull from my drugstore bin today and try out a foundation from here. And this caught my eye. This being the Revlon Color Stay Whipped Cream Foundation. I have mine in 150 Buff, but I do not remember this foundation at all, so we're going to give this guy a shot today. Let's do that. Okay, so for this go around, like I said, the Revlon Color Stay Whipped Foundation is the one we're going to be trying. Now, with every one of these foundations, I want to use the exact same primer and the exact same powder. So what I decided on was the No Problem primer from Touch and Soul for the primer. I think this is a pretty standard primer, easy to get a hold of, very indicative of what people like. You know, pore filling, smoothing, the whole 9 yards. So now for the powder, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and the reason I'm using this is because this is a tried and tested product. 90% of people like this. So, and it mixes well with many products. So we're gonna give it a shot with all of them, give everybody the same playing field. We'll just see how it goes. I have moisturized my face. I'm now gonna put on the primer, and then we will get on to applying the foundation. Because this is a thicker foundation, I will be using a beauty blender. I may change that up depending on the foundation, but yeah, I don't want to do half one, half the other, because I don't want to be stuck with, I don't know, I want that to be personal preference upon my skin due to the foundation consistency. So with this one, I think a beauty blender is the best choice. So let's get on to priming so we can get going. I'm now going to let that set into my skin for a few minutes, and then we will get on to the foundation. Okay, so we've let it set in a little bit. I'm going to open this up. Still has a little stopper thing in it, I guess is good. It is super thick, and I honestly don't know if I've ever tried this. I have had this in my collection for a while now. The fact that I haven't tried it is a bit crazy. So let's just, it is very thick. Like mousse-like, very much so. So let's put a little on. I don't know how much I'm going to need, so we're going to try and keep it roughly like that, I think. Do you see? I think that's enough. Yeah, so I have my mirror here, and I'm going to blend that in. Okay, so it blended in super easy and actually looks really nice on the skin. It doesn't have crazy coverage, but I'm sure you could build it up. But it looks quite nice on the skin. I'm going to put on some concealer and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have concealer and foundation on. I'm now going to powder with the Laura Mercier all over, and then I will be back with my final look, with my full opinions later. So I'm going to take what's in my cap on my beauty blender and just put it under my eye to set under my eye. Then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and just dust over my face. Okay, so it's set down beautifully. It looks really nice. I'm just gonna do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay, so I finished the rest of my makeup. If you're wondering about the eye look, it was a palette bingo random number generator thing, so that's what that is. But the foundation, everything went over it quite nicely. It's not looking cakey or dry. Still looking quite nice, so I'll see you at the end.